This is the big reveal of the KE25 Toyota Corolla SEMA build, the Petrolheadonism DS1 collection project that we are taking to SEMA. Firstly, will we make it to SEMA? So much goes into building a car. It's unreal, the layers, foundations of the work that has gone into this total real build. Stay tuned to see where we're at. So one of the partners of the build is Pennings Group, and they are responsible for a lot of the preparation and paintwork on the car. As you'll see from these overlaid B-roll videos of our visits over the last 2 months, there's been some serious work gone into it. Alpha Performance Fabrication have done so much work. We have sourced a Mark II Escort Rally rear axle to give us the width we need, but also to give us the stance we need. The fabrication work is unbelievable. All our partners understand and realize this car is going to SEMA. It's going to be scrutinized by the judges because we have entered it into Battle of the Builders. Do we expect the car to win anything? No. Let's get that straight. No. Do we expect people to be in awe of the car? 100%. We want this car to be the only KE25 at the show. I've never seen one there before. I am enamored by the shape, the build, the quality of this vehicle and the partners we are bringing together. Petrolheadonism Performance, aka Be Cool in Kettering, are responsible for the engine build, and as you can see, the carbon fibre is being placed on the engine and mixing those elements of the vehicle, bringing it all together, and this guy's got to drive past right now. Anything that was chrome has been done in a satin carbon by Elite Carbon Composites. Again, one of our amazing partners, launched his business this year, and it just gives the car another look. Pennings have prepped the car in a Lamborghini Pearl Black Gratinus, which is brown. In the sunlight, it shimmers. 6AD forged are coming through with our 3-piece alloys, and we're looking forward to adding them to the car. Dave, the trimmer, has absolutely smashed out the interior, so in the next video you'll be seeing the interior being fitted to the car. Nexon Tyre, our tyre sponsors at Petrolheadonism Live, have also supplied the rubber to wrap the 6AD forged wheels. We're working with Ship My Car to get the cars transported to Vegas, and the shipping date is the end of August. Everybody's aware. We're currently mid-July. Today is the 18th of July. We've got less than 6 weeks to ship in. Let's go see the car. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Let's pull it out of the workshop. So here she is at Pennings, and this is the KE25 1973 Toyota Corolla. And as you can see, she looks black, but when the sun hits it, when that shines, Scoot, show them the shine. This is Nero Granatas Lamborghini Pearl color, applied perfectly by Ollie and the team here at Pennings. She hasn't got any brakes yet, but she will have, because she's going to be on the EBC brakes SEMA stand at Vegas. Better give him a hand. Celebrating EBC brakes 40th anniversary. There she is. Guys, are you sad to see her go? Yeah. Amazing. We've got new rubbers coming in from Thailand. The car will be back here for fitment as well. Carbon fibres being dropped off later today for that satin finish by Ollie and the team. Off she goes to Alpha Performance to have suspension and hopefully the engine fitted. 6 weeks to go, the pressure's on. We've all got holidays in that time as well, but I hope you like the car. Alpha Performance Fabrications now have the Corolla for about 2.5 weeks for them to work their magic. Let's find out from Mike what he's got planned.
Well, I can tell you for sure I'm going to lose more hair through the stress, but effectively what we're going to be doing is a custom exhaust manifold. We're going to make it almost like a showpiece of the engine bay, so it'll be upswept. You're going to, as soon as you open the bonnet, that's going to be a real showpiece. Then we're going to do the rest of the exhaust system with some fancy tailpipe designs which you're going to come up with. We're doing a custom radiator and all the relevant pipe work for that as well. fitting the suspension, prop shaft. Yeah, it's a long list.
So we're really excited about how this is coming together. We've got just under 6 weeks to the shipping date. Will we make it? I know that I'm going to get so emotional if this car is in the hall with EBC in November for SEMA. It's phenomenal, but there's so much to be done, and we're just choreographing everybody to come together, and hopefully there's no nasty surprises. Stay tuned for the next video, and hopefully we'll be loading it up onto the ship.